Yeah, so looking at the nature of how this overall DBShift based on generative AI work, I probably kind of just give you kind of quick example of, say, as I said, like, the model has a really good understanding of the source and a target combination that we feature in the product. So as I said, like, it would be able to definitely be able, it's like, you may never be able to get into a place where there's no generation happen. Okay, and but our validation script always pick up, even there's a single comma missing, the syntax will definitely be throwing up an error. So I would assume that there would be a very less exception cases where there's a failure coming up. But in case there's a failure coming up, you have really a good starting point where the most of the generation has already happened, and you start with that code rather than starting a code from scratch. So that's the benefit that you get. You probably would be able to, the code, the utility currently doesn't really do a debugging as such, because that's probably coming in the next phase of the product, where we are going to be having an agentic way of doing this migration as well, where there's a generator and there is a validator as well. The combination of the generator and a validator do a to and fro and make sure that it's even debugs that. That's actually immediately coming up in another version of the product. We are still having that in the works. But as of now, the product debugging, code debugging is not supported, but it's going to be there, coming forward.